Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you need a subscription for YNAB. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to say that I'm a big fan of YNAB. I've been using it for years, and it's helped me to get my finances under control. However, I also understand that not everyone can afford a subscription. So, I want to be honest and tell you that you don't need a subscription to use YNAB. Free versus paid. There are two versions of YNAB, the free version and the paid version. The free version has all of the basic features that you need to track your income and expenses. However, there are some limitations to the free version. For example, you can only connect up to 4 accounts, and you can't use the budgeting tools. The paid version of YNAB has all of the features of the free version, plus a lot more. You can connect up to 20 accounts, use the budgeting tools, and get access to a number of other features, such as reports and goals. So, which version is right for you? If you're just starting out with your finances, or if you're on a tight budget, the free version of YNAB may be all you need. However, if you're serious about using YNAB to help you reach your financial goals, I recommend upgrading to the paid version. Here are some of the benefits of using the paid version of YNAB. You can connect up to 20 accounts, which makes it easier to track all of your income and expenses. You can use the budgeting tools, which help you to create a budget and track your progress. You can get access to a number of other features, such as reports and goals. You'll get access to YNAB's customer support team, which is always available to help you with any questions you have. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to subscribe to YNAB is up to you. However, I think it's worth considering the benefits of the paid version if you're serious about using YNAB to help you reach your financial goals. And with that, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.